now jump out of bed. Wash your face, comb your head. Eat your breakfast, drink some tea. Grab your books, come follow me. Do you wake up early every day? Yes, I do. Do you ever sleep too late? No, I don't. Do you brush your teeth with care? Yes, I do. Do you miss the morning air? No, I don't. I don't watch TV at night. I don't argue, I don't fight. I don't skip meals, it's not good. I don't forget to eat healthy food. When do you leave your home each day? Where do you go to work and play? Why do you smile and feel so bright? What makes you sleep so well at night? What do you do after class? Do you walk or do you run fast? Don't stay idle, keep on track. How do you spend your way back? Do your homework, read a book. Clean your room, come take a look. Go outside, play with friends. Smile until the day ends. Do you study every day? Yes, I do. Do you ever waste away? No, I don't. Do you love to learn and grow? Yes, I do. Do you ever move too slow? No, I don't. Don't be late. Don't forget your tasks. Eat your dinner. Don't move too fast. No, I don't. Do you love to learn and grow? Yes, I do. Do you ever move too slow? No, I don't. Don't be late. Don't forget your tasks. Eat your dinner, don't move too fast. Say goodnight, turn off the lights. Tomorrow's waiting, sleep tight.